Hey, good evening. Hope you are all doing well. Hope your week is going good. If you haven't already, please take a minute to hit that like and subscribe button for me. I would very much appreciate it. My little channel would appreciate it. Um, yeah, let's get into some trades here. So to set the stage for you, coming into this morning, I think I made three trades. I was up $144. But unfortunately, I repeated my morning of yesterday morning and I incurred some losses. But again, I might have moved the stop a little bit, but nothing crazy. And well, we'll just have to dive in. Come with me. We'll dive in and look ourselves here. What transpired, right? So there we go. That was trade number 4. Now I'm up 216. I'm feeling good. I like winning, right? Everybody likes winning. But then it quickly turns into sour grapes. Uh, so I was chasing today. I found myself chasing the moves after the moves had already happened, and I was chasing the tail, right? And that never ends up good. Right here, I moved the stop because I'm trying to give it a little bit more room to come back down, and it ain't having it. It is not having any part of that. And if you look at the move that I am chasing, why do that, bro? All you had to do was take your time, right? That is a big, those are 3-minute candles right here on this left-hand chart of the Nasdaq, but those are 3-minute candles. It's already been going down, 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 and I'm continuing to chase it down. It's not smart. It's not smart. That is not good trading, right? It's not good scalping, in my opinion. So yeah, I just wiped away. I was 214 in profit. Now I'm negative 309. So I just wiped away 500 plus dollars uh, really quickly. uh, but again, as long as I stick to the plan and don't go crazy with the stop loss moving it, or crazy with chasing and then moving the stop, or adding to an already bad position, I moved the stop right here, but I'm not adding to this position. That is a mitigated risk in my point of view, right? Um, and I did that because I see the SPY right here. Right here, the SPY comes up and then it stalls, right? It stalls at this already high, and I'm expecting it to roll back off. That's the reason why I moved the stop on this one. The other one where I moved the stop, I knew that was a bad entry. I was just trying to save it, giving it a chance, even though I already knew it had no chance. Yeah. Sometimes giving yourself a little bit more breathing room can go in your favor, and or it will just make what's already bleeding that much worse, right? Um, yeah. But I didn't add. Not adding to these positions really yesterday and today, not adding to the positions is what saved me, really. Um, and that and sticking to the stop losses for the most part. So I'm starting to dig back out of a hole here. I was at negative 300. Now I'm at negative 133. So yeah, just takes a few trades in the right direction to get you back on track. It's a pretty volatile day. This 200 point swings from high to low. Um, that's a lot of movement. This one looks like it's fixing to get away from me here. Pushing back up. Somebody asked me why I don't trade the ES. I haven't traded the ES since I very first started trading futures. Mainly because it moves so slow. And this strategy, I don't really think would work half as well on the ES because you're using that volatility and that erraticness, that erratic nature that the NASDAQ has to your advantage. So I don't know if this would work that well with the ES or not. So here I've wiped away $300 loss. Now I'm back up 154 on the day. And now we're pushing back up. See how the SPY has come down. It bottomed out. Now it's rounded up. It couldn't break back past these highs right here, and then it rolls back off. There is a pivot right here at, I don't know what dollar amount that is. Probably that might be 455, maybe very close to that. And it bounces off that pivot, and now it's starting to roll back up. And that's what I am trying to catch right here, is this bounce as we're moving up higher, right? And I take one or two more trades, and then or one or two more trades in this session, and then I think two more before the end of the day, and then that's it for these. I put them away. I didn't press my luck. I was in the green, I was in the red, I got back into the green, and then I was like, you know what? I'm good. And that was after. So Rhythmic had some issues today, and I lost 4 of my freaking evaluation accounts. There's nothing you can do when the software acts up and you can't get out of a trade when you're supposed to get out of it. Or in my case, I hit the dang buy button 3 times because it didn't do anything. I'm like, what is going on here? And then the next thing I know, I'm in for 15 contracts and it's going the wrong direction. So, you put on a lot of size, and that really adds up in your favor or against you very quickly, right? So let's see what I ended up with for today. So I'm down to 6 accounts. That really makes me frustrated. And also, they just ended their sale, so it's not like I can just go get 4 more for cheap either. So brilliant. But in the funded accounts, I ended up 350 to the good in one, 327 to the good in the other. I did not add that up for the day. Or yeah, I did. I'm sorry. 678 to the positive for today, and that puts me up 2,249 for the week. So that is a solid week so far. I've got Thursday and Friday to bring it home. We'll see if we can't bat 1,000 this week. That would be pretty awesome. And that's really all I got. Hopefully Apex does something with our evaluation accounts and hopefully makes them right. I know they've done that in the past, even though they don't have to. But when you're stuck in a trade and there's nothing that you can do with it and it's not your fault, that really kind of sucks. I do have one more thing. I want to introduce you to someone, if you'll excuse me. Come here, Nazi. Come here. Sure. This is Nazi. Affectionately named Nazi, my little Nasdaq mascot. Bought her 2 Saturdays ago with some of the proceeds from trading, and she was a birthday / Christmas present for my youngest son. But isn't she beautiful? And she's such a sweetheart. Unlike the Nasdaq itself, which is a raging beast. But anyway, that is all I got for tonight. As always, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I will catch you next time. Take care. Bye.